Want to learn how to remove people from a photo using Photoshop? You're in the right place. In Adobe Photoshop 2023, there's a handy tool called the Object Selection tool that can make this task a breeze. Let's dive into the process step by step. Open your image in Photoshop and make sure you have the Object Selection tool selected. When you hover your cursor over objects in the image, they will be highlighted for you. Click on the person or object you want to remove. In this example, I'm choosing to remove this person in the photo. Once you've clicked on the object, Photoshop will automatically create a selection around it. Right-click on the selected area and choose Delete and Fill Selection. After performing this action, you'll notice that the person is gone, but there may be some leftover distractions in the image. To tackle those remaining elements, use the Object Selection tool once again. Select the distracting objects by clicking on them. Right-click and choose Delete and Fill Selection just like before. You might still find some small details that need attention. In these cases, pick the Lasso tool. Use the Lasso tool to draw a selection around any remaining distractions. Right-click and choose Fill from the context menu. Click OK to confirm. That's it. With these 3 simple steps, you've successfully removed unwanted people or objects from your photo using Photoshop. Enjoy enhancing your images.